was obvious from very beginning that this driver was trouble.
What just happened here? Oh dude, what just happened? Oh dude, you know, dude, you see that?
The situation was so dangerous that the biker decided to turn back and talk to the driver.
You kidding me? What are you doing?
Sorry, but you know, I don't see the light.
The light was red. It was green for me.
I know, but I don't see. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.
You got to be careful, man.
Yeah. I'm really sorry, man.
You got it.
God bless you.
Dude, I about got in a wreck.
Bist du behindert oder was? Ja, Freunde.
Where are we going?
The driver didn't quite know which lane he should take, which is why he chose both.
Whoa. Oh, wait, watch out. You're gonna hit me, bro.
Here is a similar situation with accurately presented driver error.
Jesus.
This driver didn't use the blinker, didn't look in the mirror and almost hitting the biker in the end.
Really?
basically with a lot of traffic, there's a lot of hazards and a lot of things that you need to be aware of. And so with this following incident that ended up happening, basically a car was brake checking another car, and so it kind of ended up making this sort of domino effect. So I'll just go ahead and let this whole video run, and you guys let me know in the comments below what you guys think.
We're raiding Las Vegas. There we go with the motorcycle group, baby. You guys good? Got it? Oh, nothing happened to your guys' car. Wow.
Dude brake checks.
Wow.
Yeah, dude brake checks us in front.
Which dude? The guy up there?
Yeah, the dude in the white. Yeah.
Wow. You okay? You okay? I think like 3 or 4. Someone brake checked you. Was it the motorcyclist that was in front that?
It was a white Chevy Cruze. So what happened? There was a white Chevy Cruze in front of us and kind of hit the brakes hard, so I had to hit the brakes a tad bit hard, and they happened to be right behind us. Does she need to be checked out?
This ride could have ended badly for the biker. Here we have a minor biker fall and a brief instruction on how to properly pick up your bike. Thanks for watching till the end, I hope you've enjoyed it. See you soon in the next video. Ride safe.